Good morning, friends. Welcome back to another vlog. Hello, welcome back. The sun is in. It's a brand new day. Today's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, but also happy Father's Day to all the single moms out there who had to play both mom and dad growing up. That is my mama and also Carlos's mama. We didn't grow up with our dads, so today is a very special day for our moms as well. First things first. How's it going, baby?
They won.
Oh, good! I just woke up, so.
The game was intense.
Was it intense?
Yeah.
Very intense.
Yes.
It's in Spanish, so I don't understand anything.
It's okay.
I literally woke up this morning because Carlos screamed his head off for some reason.
Because they scored.
Can you guys guess what is happening next week? Ah, we are so excited. Really, Carlos? Okay, let's make our bed. My loves, let me show you a little bit of a bedroom tour. This is our bed made. You guys, I'm kind of happy with how the pillows are looking. I feel like we can add 2 more in because you can never have enough pillows. Look at this really nice blanket. I got it at Home Goods for literally $8. Hello, this is something new. We just got this past week, I believe. It is amazing. I love this thing that hides the wire. It makes it so organized. I'm thinking about having like a little plant right here. So for this video, I am working with this app because they asked me to try it out and I was like, why not? So the app is called 30 Day Fitness. It's right here in my phone. And basically for this video, I am partnering up with this app because I tried it out, loved it, and I want to show you guys how freaking amazing it is. So I don't know if you guys remember, but in my previous vlogs, I've mentioned how, you know, I've been trying out the gym, but it's a little bit intense when you don't know what the heck you're doing at the gym. Like, I want to do all these cool workouts and like tone the right parts, but I don't know what I'm doing, and personal trainers are really expensive. So this app makes me feel like I have a personal trainer in my pocket at all times. You take a little survey. Literally, it's like a 30-second survey that figures out your name, your age, your athletic skills, how much you work out, and there's literally an option that says, I've never worked out at all, I don't know what I'm doing, and then it creates a workout for you and also tutorials that are really good for your body. So I think that's the one thing that makes me really excited about this app is that this is for you. It's so personal. It's not like they're shooting a beginner like 100 push-ups, you know? Obviously, we are not capable of that. We have to start from the bottom and kind of progress and work our way up. So it's figuring out what works best for your body, which makes me so happy. Another thing that I love about it that I noticed is that, oh my god, this is my favorite part. There are actual tutorials. So it'll say like lunges, and then you click on the picture and it'll be an actual girl that moves and is a tutorial and shows you exactly how to do it. It also tells you how many times you should do it. It also creates a workout plan every single day. And one of my other favorite parts is that you don't have to always go to the gym. You can easily do this in the comfort of your home, which is so good because sometimes I'm really lazy and I don't want to go to the gym. I want to do a 10-minute, 30-minute, whatever workout in my living room, get it over with, kind of feel really good about myself, do it in the morning, energize myself, and start my day. In the app, I'll show you in a little bit, there are also 30-day challenges. So there's a calendar, you click on it and you do it for 30 days and you can tone different parts of your body. Like I believe here there's a bikini body, tone body makeover, sexy legs and butt, I really need that. Flat belly, need that too. Cardio blast, slim arms. So basically you click on it and there's 30 days on the calendar and each day you kind of keep up with it and it's like a challenge. It's kind of like those SWAT challenges that we've seen going around. So this is the app right here and at the top you can hit this and you can make your plans. So it'll ask you your goal. Is your goal to lose weight, to be more active, gain muscle? Mine is to lose weight right now. And then it says exercise. How many times a week? Are you going to do 2 times, 3 times, 4 times? Mine is about 2 times right now. With my busy schedule, 2 times is the best. But I'm hoping that one day I can move up to about like 4 or 5 times a week. But right now we're going to start at the beginning level just because I haven't worked out in a really long time. So I'm basically back to the beginning. But 2 times a week, workout duration. Do you want 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 25 minutes? I love this because you can figure out what works best for your body. So each week you have a new workout, and this week my workout is the lower body, and it tells you what you should do. 2 rounds, 12 times, high knees, standing knee flexions. Now for me, I don't really know what any of these are. So when I hear high knees, I'm like, what is that? If you're curious, click on the picture and there is a tutorial that shows you exactly what you should do. So these are high knees. So you're basically jumping up with high knees. Now, I'm so lucky that I do live in an apartment where we are the first floor, so no one is under me, so I can easily do this in the comfort of my own home. But it tells you exactly here what to do with words, so you have step by step. But if you're a visual person like me, then you can look at the videos as well. And every single one of them has it. Like these are the side leg raises. And then if you go to library right here, you get workout plans. So here's all the workouts that you can do if you don't want to do that one. So look at all of these that we can go through every single day. These are the challenges that I told you guys about. So say you want, for me, flat belly is really important right now. I click on flat belly right here, and this gives me a calendar, and I click on day 1, start day 1. And the same thing. This is what you do every single day for 1 to 2 minutes. And I'm sure as you progress through the calendar, everything gets a little bit harder to tone your body. I'm really excited to try this out and keep you guys updated. Maybe I can do a workout routine and incorporate this into it and show you guys what I've learned as I progress. But I'm really excited to share this with you guys. The moment that I've been playing with it and I was like, oh my god, I have to share this with my subscribers because I know you guys would love it. So I will leave a link down below for you guys to download this app. It is called 30 Day Fitness. It is so amazing. I really suggest you guys download it. If you have played with it, please comment down below and let me know what you think of it. I am so excited for you guys to try this out. So click on the link down below, download it, and start your new chapter. Hi friends, we are now in my beauty room. I've been organizing for the last day. I'm almost done, but look at my new vanity. Oh my goodness, look at this mirror. I got this at Anthropologie. It is so amazing. I'm gonna do a beauty room tour and give you guys all the details on like where I got everything, so don't worry. I am organizing the drawers right now, you guys. It is so satisfying. I'm basically keeping it like basic things that I use every day that I would touch. And then everything else is gonna go in my other Alex drawer right here, which is behind me. But oh my goodness. So pretty. I decided to keep all of my foundations out in this little bin that I got at HomeGoods. All of the gold like matches the mirror. Oh my goodness. And then look at this rug I got at HomeGoods. It's so soft. For breakfast today, we are having some eggs with hash browns. So delicious. And sriracha. I have to have my sriracha. We are getting ready to go right now. We're gonna run so many errands today. Gotta do some grocery shopping, so. But first I wanna show you guys my semi-organized closet. I don't really like it. It feels a little cluttered. So I feel like I'm going to hang a lot more stuff than fold it. Not a folding person, you guys. So first I want to show you these shoe racks. I got these shoe racks on Amazon for $13 and they hold almost 20 pairs of shoes. So in this section, so I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this section are my Adidas shoes. Back there are Vans and Nikes. Back there are heels and more dressy shoes like wedges. And then here are kind of my more expensive shoes. I love these shoe racks. They are so amazing, you guys. Look at all that storage. This is what I ate in my ramen mukbang, but they like shredded it up into pieces. This is what it looks like whole. And then you take a knife. So we can saute this tonight with some rice on the side. That'll be delicious. This is where I get my long chopsticks when I cook. We are at this smoothie stand in the market and we're getting our favorite smoothie, which I get the avocado. What did you get?
The strawberry slush.
Oh, so good. The avocado smoothie, if you guys have never had one, it's delicious.
Oh yeah, she's drinking a broccoli smoothie.
Oh wait, no. It's avocado smoothie and Carlos thinks I'm crazy for liking this, but
no, I didn't say you were crazy, but you made it sound super good.
It's delicious, baby.
So the first time I tried it was a couple days ago. I went to the little Asian market, and as I was on my way to the house, I tried it, and it wasn't the most pleasant taste.
Wait. It does have a taste that you have to get used to, but basically it's ice, avocado, and condensed milk, and it is like the most delicious thing in the world. But it's probably because I grew up drinking this.
Yeah.
It's so good.
I tried it. I wasn't a big fan. I mean, you guys should try it though and see if you guys like it, but I think it's like one of those things where you're either gonna really like it or you're gonna really like not hate it. You know what I mean?
I can't get enough of it.
So.
Or when I was little, my mom would cut avocado pieces and put it in a cup and then add ice and put like a spoon of sugar, and then she would mix it together and then you would have like a dessert. It's so good.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
We're going to Target.
We're going to Target.
You guys, look at our new pillows. Oh my god, they're so cute. We got them at Home Goods today when we went on our little decor spree. I love it. Just an update, we also got this gold mirror, well, brass finish, from Target. It's gonna look like this, and I believe we are going to put this above our fireplace right here, and then maybe like a garland right here. And then this is the new addition to the bedroom. Remember I told you guys I wanted a little plant right here? We got this little baby at Home Goods. The aesthetic is so pleasing in this bedroom. We love it. It's so relaxing. Hi friends, we are going to make dinner right now. So we went grocery shopping all day, and not only that, we had to get so many things for the apartment, and then we are done. We finally got some frames, we got lighting, we got just decor stuff, and we're finally finished. So now we're gonna cook some dinner. This is literally the best thing in the whole entire world. It's Uncle Ben's Ready Rice roasted chicken. You guys have to get the roasted chicken. It is so delicious. We get ours at Target. It is just the most flavorful rice in the world, trust me. And then Carlos wants our tortilla on the side, so we got this. I'm just gonna slap this on the grill just to warm it up later. So if you guys watched my ramen mukbang, I ate ramen with these greens called water spinach, which is so good, but I had them shredded up. So now I'm excited to show you guys what they look like as a whole. See, this is what it looks like. And then you take a knife and shred it up. There's leaves, but you know, obviously if you don't know what it is, you wouldn't know that there would be leaves, but the leaves are so soft and good. So right now we are going to separate the leaves from the hard part of the veggie. And then you want to break these part into edible pieces, not too big. And you want to categorize it because we're going to put this part in first because it's going to take harder to soften, and then the leaves in second. Here it is, you guys, and we have our tortilla warming up right there. So delicious. A little bit of sriracha and you're good to go. Wakey, wakey. Dinner's ready. Yeah? So good. Here, tortilla on the side. You can wrap, do whatever you would like. Is it good? I know you're not a big fan of shrimp, but that one is so good. And then I made some extra for lunch tomorrow for you. Yeah. Is it a 10? We are enjoying dinner with TV today. We're watching The Handmaid's Tale, you guys. It's pretty good. We're only on episode 4. It's a little bit slow, but I think it's gonna get pretty good. Comment down below if you guys are watching this too.